Becoming a new mom is beautiful, but let's be honest, it is also incredibly overwhelming. The moment you bring your baby home, everything changes. You're filled with love, but also fear, exhaustion, and a million questions. You might feel like you're drowning in diapers, sleep deprivation, self doubt, and also the feeling of like you're suddenly responsible for everything. But guess what? You are not alone. Welcome to Mother's Corner because it is not just you and you don't have to be perfect. Today, we are talking about how to cope with the real life challenges of bringing home a new baby. Newborn life is beautiful, but it's also exhausting. Feeling overwhelmed is totally okay and normal. The secret is acknowledging the emotional roller coaster and to accept that feeling overwhelmed is part of the process. It is okay not to have it all together. Remember, you're learning just like your baby is. There will be tears, yours and theirs, but every day you're growing together. Let's now explore some tips to help you find your rhythm. Number one, create a simple routine for you and your baby. You don't need a strict or a perfect schedule, just a rhythm that works for you. To begin with, you can focus on the basics, on the feedings, diaper changes, the short naps, and everything else can wait. Some sense of predictability can ease anxiety for both of you. Even the simple things like just knowing when you will shower can feel like a victory. Number two, reach out for support. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Whether it's your partner, your mom, or a friend, let someone show up for you. Even a 10-minute break can reset your entire day. Remember, you are not a burden. You are human, and humans need connection. Number three, prioritize your mental health. Postpartum emotions are real. If you feel overwhelmed, anxious, or sad for more than just a few days, talk to someone, be it a therapist, an online group, support group like this one, or even a simple journal to help you process and heal. You matter too. So try and rest when the baby sleeps, even if it's just closing your eyes and breathing deeply. Even a 15-minute nap counts. And finally, cherish the small wins. Let go of the rest. Your baby won't remember the laundry or the dishes, but they will remember how you made them feel safe, loved, and seen. And those beautiful little eyes looking up to you, they think you're everything. Take one day at a time and be kind to yourself because you are learning too. If this season feels heavy, always remember that it won't last forever and you're doing better than you think. Here at Mother's Corner, we see you and we celebrate you. And I'd like to remind you that you are strong. These days may seem long, but this season is short. You're doing so much better than you think. Motherhood isn't about perfection, it is about love, showing up and trying again. And every time you hold that baby, you're already enough. You are not alone. Mother's Corner is here for you. Let us know how you're doing in the comment section. We are walking this journey with you. If you found these tips helpful, like this video, share it with another new mom who may need encouragement today, And don't forget to subscribe for more encouragement, tips, and real talk because motherhood is tough, but you don't have to go through it alone. Sending you love. Bye bye.